All right, good morning, everyone. It's pre-market, and I want to get through this real quick because actually in 10 minutes from now, the pre-market is going to begin. Hopefully, I'll get this video out real quick. There's stocks that you might want to know about. The first one is Audacy Incorporation. And actually, this stock I've talked about before, but lately a lot of people have been talking about it on social media, also in my Discord. Does this mean that it's a buy? Actually, look, my personal opinion on Audacy Incorporation, which is trading right now it closed after hours yesterday about 18 cents, is that it will go higher today, in my opinion, right? So I think that it is a pump. Social media is making it out to be that it is amazing, financially stable company that has this massive revenue compared to market cap and all this stuff. Look, no, actually, it's not really like that. Financially, the company is horrible and on a situation where you could say that if they don't improve it by next year, they could be on the brink of bankruptcy. All right, but social media makes it out to be the other way because the only thing they will focus on, and I'm not against the stock going up, I'm actually saying that it will go up, and if people want to day trade or whatever, that might be an opportunity. That's up to you. So it most likely, in my opinion, I believe that it will be a pump that can make some people money. But don't believe that because the company had net revenue of $259 million this past quarter. This is their quarterly earnings report. That this is stunning. They're in so much debt. In fact, people don't even like social media. Doesn't even look at things like operating cash flow. Right? They don't even know what that means. If you look at it, you'll understand where this company is. If you look at what's left after their expenses, you'll see that they're not profitable. They're in huge debt. They're actually in trouble financially. But the company is actually a very legit company. They're the third largest radio operator in the United States. This is a pretty good company, but I think that the company has horrible management. Horrible. If they had better management, we'd be talking about a stock that's worth $15, $20, right? But it is what it is. Maybe they'll turn things around. I don't know. I don't trust the management. I think the management needs to change because it is a good stock. I mean, it is a good company. But yeah, it is. Yeah, all right. So that's that. I think that it's going to go higher, in my opinion. If you want to check it out, you can check it out. It closed like around 18 cents in after hours.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. With 90% accurate trade predictions, we have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
Next stock that I'm looking at is VCI Global Limited. I'm not going to buy this, but I do want to put it on my watch list and really keep a close eye on it because this thing, I had done a video before it went public on the stock market. I did say it was going to pop. I thought it was going to pop on day one. It didn't. It ended up popping a few days, about a week later, whatever it was. It opened up at $5, and then it popped up to $17 about a week later. Now it has been coming out with this news the past 3 days. All right, just one news after the other. It just makes you think like maybe they're preparing something. Maybe this will pump too. We'll see. VCI Global Limited signs IPO advisory mandate with Agros Group to have a dual listing on an NFT-based platform to gain more access and so on. So that's one. Then they say the VCI Global Limited and founder Energy begins process to form strategic alliance to explore clean energy industry. Doesn't mean anything, but just the fact that all these news are coming out. May 9th, 2023, VCI Global Limited announced application of dual listing on the upstream. Oh yeah, this is the one with the NFC powered Horizon Fintech's app. All right, so that's that. Maybe you want to put on your watch list. Takeda Pharmaceuticals is a company that's doing awesome year to date, up 8.8%. A very serious company, great company, strong company. Trading right now at $16, nearly $17, $16.98. So it's up 8.8%. They came out with news today, pre-market, 2:40 a.m. Takeda delivers strong revenue and profit growth for the year 2022. Updated capital allocation policy reflects deleveraging progress and confidence in growth outlook. So this is pretty awesome. Here's some of that summary of what's going on. Full year reported revenue growth of up 12.8% and so on. Core revenue growth up 3.5%. And back on February 19, 2023, if you were in my Discord, you would have known about it. You would have known that, and I said that Takeda will do better, right? So what is that? Currently trading at 15.63. Unless this news was already priced in, it should have a gain and so on. So that was back on February. Fiverr announces first quarter 2023 results. Super excited to see where this stock goes today. But it's not only about today. I think it's a great long-term hold in my opinion. It's a stunning company. It's an amazing company. Last time I talked about Fiverr and I did a video, it was way back in 2020 when it was $23 and then it ran up to $235. That was awesome. So Fiverr announces first quarter 2023 results, strong Q1 2023 performance. And they say our pivot towards enhancing the focus and efficiency of our business paid off as revenue came in near the top end of our guidance and so on. Fiverr maintains its position as #1 freelance brand. How can you not be bullish on this company? Launching Fiverr Enterprise also, which is going to be awesome, and on track to deliver their 2023 guidance. So I'm super excited. In fact, if you were in my Discord, you would have known about this since about months ago, because I've talked about Fiverr for many months. Like I said, my first time I did a video on my YouTube channel was back in 2020, and then it had this explosive run. But also on my Discord many months ago, I did say that I think it's a good stock to get ourselves situated in, and so it's going to do awesome. Now, Fiverr International closed at 28.68. I think today should go higher. Technically, it should. And some of the things that you might want to know is the most anticipated earnings releases, right? The ones particular for today there's some really good stocks that I can't wait to see. Some of these are going to move up for sure. So Fiverr released their earnings, we know that. JD, keep an eye on JD. JD should go higher by the end of this year, in my opinion. Indie, Krispy Kreme. I'm not saying that Indie is going to go up, but these are stocks that I like to keep my eye on and see what's going on with them. They had their earnings and so on. Krispy Kreme, Indie. Who else? U.S. Foods, Getty Images. That's going to be interesting. Getty Images. I'm not expecting good earnings from them, but they are a stock that's been easily, having bull runs or pumps, let's say. So that's something. So U.S. Foods, Getty Images. Let's see, Ouster. Some people might want to look at that. Yeti. Indie, Krispy Kreme, Fiverr, JD. There's some good ones. And then also tomorrow, for those who are interested in some boring stocks, but might be an interesting one, is the New York City REIT, NYC. I think that's going to be interesting also. All right, with that being said, those are stocks that I wanted to bring to your attention before the market begins. If you like this video and you think it's helpful for others, please share it on your social media networks. And if you want to join my Discord and Patreon, link will be in the comment section below. I wish you all the best. Take care, everyone.